Hi student, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nursing King. So as your request, we are coming about the top important nursing diagnosis for the mental health nursing, medical surgical 1 and medical surgical 2 and child health nursing also. You can apply those the nursing diagnosis. So in this video I separate the two division, general nursing diagnosis like for the medical and child health nursing you can use those diagnosis, and mental health nursing diagnosis also I have separated like 7 or 10 top importance diagnosis I have mentioned in this video. So in this video I have mentioned that if you want that how to create the nursing diagnosis, so that video also I'll pin in description. You can go and watch how to create the nursing diagnosis. Use the one formula and tips will be there. So already I have told to you people. So if you want to again revise those, so I've already put in description those video link, so you can write it down those nursing diagnosis already I am showing in the screen. So according my suggestion, so same also I mentioned that related to and as evidence by. So these two sentence will be present, and relative like many option I have given. So you can use one option and you can make a nursing diagnosis, so according my suggestion. So and also one more thing, so already I have updated that important questions. So in this like nursing diagnosis regarding, so I am not going to explain about this. So this is very easy only. You can just by seeing that video you can write it down in your own notebook, and if you have any doubt you can personally message me, or any particular diagnosis if you are not getting how it will happen, so I'll explain you.